Alright team, we're going to go ahead and move forward into the next video. This next video is going to cover the Total Wireless Bill Pay. This is the easiest bill pay around. First thing you want to do though is go to TFDAP, do a customer lookup so we can verify exactly what plan he's on and if he wants to upgrade on the plan. So what we do is we type in this customer's phone number, look him up, let it go ahead and process a little bit. Boom. So he is currently on the 3-line $85 deal. So what we do is we go here, make sure we verified. Now we go ahead and open up the customer's profile and go ahead and get him set up. So we click on Mr. Vega, we go to add item again. We're going to make a payment. And this is probably the simplest process that we're ever going to do here. So we type in our provider again. We hit top ups. We never need to use PIN on these. These automatically go through no matter if they have service or not. Rest assured. So we're going to go ahead and click continue. We're going to select the dollar value plan. So we got $85 unlimited talk, that 3-line deal. That matches up with what is concurrent here. Boom. We're going to click continue. Again, if there's a credit card fee, we add the fee. If not, we don't add it. And we go throughout the system. We bring the system out, and then automatically the pins are placed in queue or they're automatically applied there. If they are automatically applied and the customer had just lost service, just restart the devices and you should be good to go. And that is how you complete the Total Wireless bill pay. Very easy, very simple. And this is why we want to transition everybody to Total Wireless. It's just overall the better service and overall the easiest service to work with. And that's it. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next video, team.